We're going to have Instadeep. Instadeep is one of our sponsors. They want to talk about AI. And it's interesting because it is almost what is happening all around us right now. And so building with AI is something that you might and you should be actually interested in. So I'm going to call on George.
Hello, everyone. I hope you guys are having a wonderful time. So, how many of us know about AI? How many? Okay, definitely, you guys must have used Google Map today to navigate to this place. So that's like a platform which utilizes AI, and also Gmail is another platform which utilizes AI. So today I'll be talking about how Instadeep is building world-class solution. We must have seen different developers from different ecosystems, such as mobile, cloud, and web. And these developers are using solutions to provide, these developers are using software solutions to provide services to billions of users around the globe. And such solutions include Flutter, Angular, Firebase. Next slide. So, recently you must have noticed something, that software solutions are becoming smarter thanks to AI. And how is AI doing that? Software solutions are leveraging AI, such as Google Map, which is leveraging AI to improve user experience, route optimization, traffic estimation, and arrival time. And also, Gmail. Google processes at least 100 million spam mail per day. And they also use AI solutions to provide autocorrect system, autocomplete system, quick response system. So how many of you know about auto-completion system? It's an awesome product, right? Next slide. So one of the most important things you should get out of the talk is that AI is providing a critical component, which is prediction. And prediction is enabling business create value by making better decisions. Like with AI, you will be one step ahead of your competitors. In 2011, Mark Anderson made a statement. He said, software will eat the world. And to be honest, for the past 10 years, a lot of things have happened. We've seen the fall of industrial giants and see the rise of tech giants such as Google, Amazon, and Facebook. Like Google is using software to disrupt the search space. Amazon is using software to disrupt the retail space. And Uber, Waymo, they're all using software to disrupt the automotive industry. Next slide. So, in 2019, which is this year, Jensen, the CEO of NVIDIA, made a statement. He updated Mark Anderson's statement. So the statement he made was basically, software is eating the world, but AI is going to eat software. And to be honest with you, AI has been ingesting software since 2012. So what actually happened in 2012? So in 2012, at the University of Toronto, Alex Krzyzewski, Eli Seskova, under the supervision of Jeffrey Entin, used a special deep learning architecture called convolutional neural network for image classification. Their result outperformed other uncrafted methods. So ever since then, this event has spiked interest in AI, leading to organizations such as Google Research, Facebook Research, DeepMind, and especially from Africa, Instadeep. Next slide, please. So let me give you an instance of what software 1.0 and software 2.0 is. So the idea of software 1.0 actually came from Andrew Carpati, who is the current AI director of Tesla. So what he basically said is that neural network is just another class. It's not just another classifier. They represent the beginning of a fundamental shift in how we write software. They are software 2.0. So what is software 2.0 all about? Let's assume you have a task of detecting human activity. Usually, as programmers, what we do is that we break down these tasks into different modules. After breaking down these tasks into different modules, we now write algorithms that will solve each and every one of these modules. After solving each and every one of these modules, we'll compose all these sub-modules together to form a system. But with software 2.0, you don't necessarily have to do that. All you just need to do is you have your data, you get your model, you use your data to train your model. So you don't, in software 1.0, we write things in Python, JavaScript, Kotlin. But in software 2.0, we write stuff in abstract, unfriendly language, such as weight and biases. How many of us are familiar with neural networks? Okay. So for software 1.0, you write explicit instruction. While for software 2.0, you don't need to write any instruction. All you just have to do is you allow your optimization algorithm, such as gradient descent, find the desired output. Next slide. So at Instadeep, we believe we are software 2.0 startup. And Instadeep actually started with 2 laptops and a lot of passion. So the company started in 2012 by Karim and Zora Slim. And ever since then, we've grown to be over 100 plus team. And we have offices in Lagos, Paris, Tunis, Nairobi, and our headquarters, which is in London. Next slide. So Instadeep is an organization that believes in democratizing AI. And that is why we support communities such as Data Science Nigeria, Machine Learning Summer School, the biggest AI conference in Africa, which is Deep Learning in Daba, and also the most vibrant AI community in Lagos, which is AI Saturday, and the biggest tech developer community in Nigeria, which is DevFest Lagos. So we believe by supporting developers achieve their goal. Next slide. So I would like to talk about Instadeep and Google. To be honest with you, ever since the inception of the company, Google has been friendly to us in the sense that, and one of the major reasons why they are friendly to us is because Google and Instadeep share an underlying goal, which is democratizing AI in Africa and the rest of the world. So recently, we partnered with Google to co-organize the biggest AI hackathon in Africa. And we had over 1,000 plus participants from 22 different countries. And also, we support Google Launchpad. And recently, in Instadeep, we have the first female Google experts in Africa and in Middle East. And finally, we recently partnered with Google DeepMind to publish a paper, and that paper was currently accepted in NeurIPS 2019. Next slide. So, we believe we are industry agnostic business in the sense that our experts can function in manufacturing, logistics, mobility, and energy. And recently, we won a contract in Germany to provide AI solution to the biggest railway service in Europe, Deutsche Bank. And we believe this is a wonderful opportunity for us to showcase our skills. And finally, next slide. So if you have any AI problem or you think we can help you, you should reach out to us. And we have partners such as Google, NVIDIA, AfriPrint, and the rest. So next slide, please. So thank you and enjoy your day fairs.
Okay, thank you very much. Please put your hands together again for George.